and then that dry spot has worked its way around on the east side. So that's good news.
Yeah, a couple days ago we were talking about how we were hoping some of that drier air that was out in the central Gulf would wrap around into the storm. Unfortunately, it happened too late. I mean, let's face it, it's made landfall, it's done the damage.
Littlefoot got her paw outside.
She's been watching outside a lot.
You can see how it's trying to get into that east side of the circulation. From the eye east.
She's trying so hard to open up that window.
I tried to show her how to get up there.
Yeah.
She won't stay.
It's going to be on the north and northwest side. So, you know, Brian, this isn't like what we normally see with.
Oh,
Steering it to the north, and that's where most of the
Wiggle, wiggle, wiggle.
So let's go down.
She just was wiggling her butt.
Look at this. This is the center.
see how the
And
legs
this is
go
coming
up and down
through
like
Ish.
she's
Miners,
climbing up
getting the
there.
eye wall there up to Port Charlotte. It's going to improve in Port Charlotte very soon. They're about to get into the eye wall. So we with clouds, so that's some good news. We're looking for anything we can get because it has been rough. Marco Island, Bonita Springs, Cape Coral.
She's like, no.
I'm trying to get you up here,
Our
don't you?
winds are still up.
See,
They
you
haven't
can
gotten
watch
a
it.
whole
We
lot
can watch it
stronger.
together.
We're gusting to 70 in St. Pete. We're gusting to 64 in Tampa, 68 in
No,
Miami.
I'm not a
And
true
here's that
bone.
forecast.
Yes, you are.
See the dry air.